What if I told you that saving your first $1,000 is much harder than saving your next $10,000? It sounds strange, doesn't it? But here's the truth. The first $1,000 isn't just money. It's proof that you can control your finances instead of letting your finances control you. And once you reach that milestone, everything begins to change. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You stop panicking every time an unexpected bill shows up. And for the first time, you feel financially secure. So, if you're starting with almost nothing, don't skip this video, because today, I'll show you a realistic step-by-step plan to save your first $1,000, even if you think you don't earn enough. Let's get started. Step 1. Know where your money is going. Most people believe they have an income problem, but in reality, they have a spending problem. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with water. Now imagine that bucket has 10 tiny holes. No matter how much water you pour in, the bucket never gets full. Your money works the same way. Small daily expenses slowly drain your bank account. A $5 coffee, food delivery, random online shopping, subscriptions you forgot about months ago. Individually, these purchases don't seem dangerous, but together, they quietly steal hundreds of dollars every month. So before trying to save more, track every single dollar you spend for the next 7 days. Write everything down, every coffee, every snack, every online purchase. You'll probably be surprised by where your money actually goes. Awareness is always the first step toward financial freedom. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Here's another mistake people make. They simply say, "I want to save money." But that's too vague. Your brain needs a specific target. Instead, say, "I will save $1,000 in 6 months." Now the goal feels real. Break it down into smaller pieces. Saving $1,000 sounds difficult, but saving around $40 every week feels much more achievable. Big goals become less intimidating when they're divided into small weekly targets. And every time you reach one of those targets, your confidence grows. Momentum is one of the most powerful forces in personal finance. Step 3. Build a simple budget. Don't worry, you don't need complicated spreadsheets. You just need a simple plan. Every paycheck should have a job. One part pays your bills, one part covers daily living expenses, and one part goes directly into savings. Treat your savings like a monthly bill, because if you only save whatever is left over, there usually won't be anything left. Pay yourself first, even if it's only $20 a week. The amount isn't as important as building the habit. Habits create wealth, not luck. Step 4. Cut expenses that don't improve your life. Notice something important. I'm not asking you to stop enjoying life. I'm asking you to stop paying for things that don't actually make your life better. Maybe it's 3 streaming services when you only watch 1. Maybe it's eating out 5 times every week. Maybe it's impulse shopping late at night. Ask yourself one simple question before buying anything. Will I still be happy about this purchase next month? If the answer is no, don't buy it. Every dollar you don't waste moves you one step closer to your first $1,000. Step 5. Increase your income. Saving is powerful, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's almost no limit to how much you can earn. Think about it. Could you work a few extra hours each week? Sell things you no longer use? Do freelance work online? Babysit? Walk dogs? Deliver food? Tutor students? Even earning an extra $100 every week can completely change your savings journey. The fastest savers aren't always the people who spend the least. They're often the people who earn a little more and save the difference. Step 6. Automate your savings. Here's something wealthy people understand. Willpower is unreliable. Some days you'll feel motivated. Other days you'll convince yourself that you'll start saving next week. And next week becomes next month, then next year. That's why automation is so powerful. The moment your paycheck arrives, move a fixed amount directly into your savings account. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Don't give yourself the chance to spend it first. When saving becomes automatic, building wealth becomes much easier. The less you have to decide, the more likely you are to succeed. Anard. Step 7. Build an emergency fund before investing. Many beginners make the same mistake. They rush into investing because they want quick returns. But imagine this. Your car suddenly breaks down, your phone stops working, or you face an unexpected medical bill. If you don't have emergency savings, you'll probably use a credit card. And suddenly, you're paying high-interest debt instead of building wealth. That's why your first $1,000 should become your emergency fund. It's your financial safety net. It won't make you rich overnight, but it will protect you from going backward. Sometimes, the best investment isn't earning more money. Step 8. Celebrate small wins. Saving money can feel slow, especially in the beginning. Maybe after your first month, you've only saved $100. It might not seem impressive, but remember this. You started with zero. Every dollar saved is proof that you're becoming more disciplined. Celebrate every milestone. Your first $50, your first 100, 500, and finally, 1,000. Success isn't built in one giant leap. It's built through hundreds of small victories. Step 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's something that traps millions of people. They get a raise, then immediately buy a better phone, a bigger apartment, a newer car, more expensive clothes. Their income increases, but so do their expenses. And somehow, they're still broke. Instead, when your income goes up, increase your savings first. Let your lifestyle improve slowly, but let your investments and savings grow quickly. That's how real wealth is built, not by looking rich, but by becoming rich. Step 10. Think long-term. Your first $1,000 is only the beginning. Don't see it as the finish line, see it as the foundation. Because once you've proven you can save $1,000, saving $5,000 becomes easier, then $10,000, then $50,000. Eventually, your money starts working for you. Interest earns interest. Investments begin to grow. Opportunities appear that never existed before. Everything starts with that first milestone. $1,000 isn't life-changing because of its value. It's life-changing because of what it teaches you. Discipline, patience, consistency. Those 3 habits create millionaires. Not luck, not timing, not shortcuts. If you remember only one thing from today's video, remember this. Financial freedom doesn't begin when you earn more. It begins the moment you decide to control your money instead of letting your money control you. Your first $1,000 may take weeks, it may take months, but every single dollar you save is one step closer to the life you truly want. Start today, not tomorrow, not next Monday, today, because the best time to build wealth was years ago. The second best time is right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple strategy to build wealth and achieve financial freedom.